So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today video we are going to solve one interesting problem, and that is little bit above the intermediate level. Okay, sorry, it is the level of this program is not a very beginner, so at least little bit more, okay, and above the beginner level. So this is a one very interesting problem. Okay, so simulating the coin flipping. Okay, so if there is a number of coin or any number of coin we have, and we have to check head and tail. Okay, so in each toss we are going to check in which toss or which coin what are the choices, head or tail. Okay, so any number of coin, it might be one coin, two coin, three coin, or 10 coin, any number of coin it has. So just we are flipping all these coin and checking what are the result of those coin output. Okay, so for doing so, let's first save this file. So I'm giving this name coin flip, fine. So for doing though, so we are going to use one function that is called random. Okay, so random function, basically we have to check the choices. Okay, so because we have two choices, head and tail, and on these two choices we have to select which one we should follow. Okay, so but suppose there is, we want to num, or like if we want to flip 10 coins, okay, something like that. So in that case we are defining a number of coins, or maybe coin is 10, we can change any number. So 10 times we are going to flip this coin, fine. So in each flip, or for each of the coin, we have to check what should be our result. Okay, so in case we have to call the same function for each coin, right? So that's why let's define some function def, okay, and then coin flip, and then this function, what this function will do, we are doing with the help of random, okay, and there is, in this random modules there is one function called choice. Okay, so this will randomly select from choice, and our choice should be heads, okay, or make it single quote or double quote, not any issue, but let's make everything consistent throughout. Okay, fine, and then we are returning this one, returning the result. Okay, so the main important point about here is a random function has one, random module has one function, that is choices. So it will randomly select head or tails from this list. So in this list we are passing the choices, any number of choices you can give here, but in our case we are flipping the coin, so coin have only two choices, heads or tails. Okay, fine. Now let's print some message so it look like more formatting. F, or simulating num flip coin flip. Okay, so it might be 10 coin we are flipping, or one coin 10 times. Okay, it might be, you can consider like that. So for those I'm going to use one loop in range. Okay, so how many times we have to flip? This time and flip times, and then we have to store some result, flip result, and then call this function, okay, coin flip, and then print the result. Flip. So every time we have to check I plus 1. Okay, and what is our result? So in first time, second time, third time, like that. Okay, fine. So this is our final code, or final code or complete code. So let's run this one. Okay, so you can see the result. The in flip 1 the heads, flip 2 heads. You see many times we are getting the heads, tails. Okay, so this is not fixed. It might be if you rerun this one, we will get different result. Okay, so you can see head, tail, tails, tails, like that. So these are randomly choosing from this one. Okay, so this given two choices, heads and tails, either of these it will randomly selected. Okay, so you can select any number of times, like 20 times. Okay, and your code will be executed accordingly number of times you have passing number of flips. Okay, fine. So this one is a very simple program, just very interesting. So if you want to check some head or tails, or you can use this program for your own entertainment, or for you can play with two person. If you want to go further one step deeper, so you can create some GUI, and then behind the GUI you can use this logic. Okay, and you can play the game. Fine. Maybe if you are this type of game should be converted in GUI, also you can comment down below. Because I'm not sure how much this video is going to create value for you, and if there is something is adding some value to your problem solving skills, and maybe for somehow interesting, so you can comment down below. I will cover more and more such video. Even I can convert this video in GUI based. Okay, fine. So thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video.